What is going on? I'm Mikey B Beats.
And I'm Mikey B Beats.
And today, we're going to be showing you how to do this cool ass effect in Premiere Pro.
Okay, so basically what you're going to want to do is you're going to take a camera and you're either going to set it on a tripod, or in my case, I set my GoPro on my desk, and you're going to shoot two videos and never move the camera. The first video, of course, was me sitting in my chair, and the second video was me coming out of my closet. So I have my two videos, and we're going to go ahead and put them on the timeline here, and you want to stack them. No particular order. In my case, I want the second video up on top. I'm actually going to spread them a little bit so I can see different audio waves. Okay, as you can see, I need to crop this so that way it's lines up to where I literally say, and I'm Mikey B Beats.
What is going on? I'm Mikey B Beats.
And I'm Mikey B Beats.
And today, we're going to be showing you how to do this cool ass effect in Premiere Pro.
So we got our two videos. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to come up here in the effects and you want to type in crop and drag it to the top video. And you're going to come over here in your effects panel, and depending on which way you're wanting to crop, you're going to drag over. You can see the line. So I need it about right there. And sometimes you can still kind of see a line depending on the lighting of the room and stuff. If that happens and you see it, all you have to do is come over here to the feather and just kind of adjust the feather accordingly. So that way it'll feather out that line in the center. And that's basically it. So now you can see.
What is going on? I'm Mikey B Beats.
And I'm Mikey B Beats.
And today, we're going to be showing you how to do this cool ass effect in Premiere Pro.
So it's super simple. It's super quick. It's a very easy method to use in Premiere Pro. This is great for any kind of video creator, whether you're doing something funny, something serious. You make TikTok videos. You kind of want to do like a little one person and another person type acting scene. So this is how you do it. If this video helped you in any way, please give me a like, give me a subscribe, comment if you want some different type of videos like this. I appreciate you guys watching, and hopefully I'll see you guys on the next tutorial.